Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, Chief, to the exciting world of the Clash of Clans board game. This new tabletop adventure brings all the fun of building and battling right to your table. It's designed for 2 to 4 players, offering a fantastic blend of strategy, resource management, and direct player interaction. Get ready to gather resources, train your armies, and launch epic raids against rival villages. It's a game where every decision matters. Setting up your Clash of Clans board game is quite straightforward. Begin by unfolding the main game board, placing it centrally on your table. Next, each player chooses a unique village board, then collects their starting gold and elixir tokens. These resources are crucial for your early game. Finally, shuffle all the various card decks, like your troop, spell, and upgrade cards, placing them face down in their designated spots. Now, you're almost ready to begin your epic clash. Your turn in the Clash of Clans board game involves making strategic choices. You'll begin by collecting resources, then decide which actions to take. Perhaps you'll build new defenses for your village, or focus on training powerful troops in your barracks. Resource management is crucial here. Spend your gold and elixir wisely to upgrade your buildings and unlock new abilities. Once prepared, you can launch an exciting raid against an opponent, aiming to steal their resources and earn valuable trophies. This cycle of building and battling forms the game's core. So, how do you win the Clash of Clans board game? Generally, victory is achieved by being the first player to accumulate a set number of victory points. You earn these points in several ways. Successfully raiding an opponent's village will net you points, and upgrading your own town hall to higher levels also contributes. Certain objectives or completed achievements reward victory points too. It's all about strategically balancing your village growth and offensive raids. Keep an eye on your point tally to claim ultimate victory. Here are a few quick tips to get you started on your path to becoming a legendary chief. First, always adapt your strategy. Observe your opponent's villages and their troop types to plan your raids effectively. Secondly, never neglect your defenses. A well-protected village is much harder to raid, helping you keep those precious resources. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies in your first few games. You'll soon be a master of this exciting game. Have fun raiding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.